It is downpouring right now. We got breaches coming in. Oh.
Hello.
That one over there.
Oh, come on, Bush Company. Awning, don't fail us now. Putting it through its stuff.
Oh my God. Good afternoon and welcome back to RP&W Adventures. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brian.
And today we have taken the Gray Ghost out on a little weekend camping adventure. We are here at
Beverly Beach State Park on the Oregon coast.
Yay!
This is how we want to camp.
This beautiful woods behind us. Oh my gosh.
But this is what we have to camp with when we're on the Oregon coast.
Womp, womp, womp. But it's okay. At least we're out. It's January,
Yeah.
first weekend in January.
Happy
so
New Year.
we are starting the new year off right with a camping adventure.
It's blue sky right now, but
We're supposed to get hammered with rain.
it's coming in tonight. So
Yeah. Ugh.
for dinner, we're going to have a big storm to munch down on. And yeah. Let's get set up and then, I don't know, go down to the beach or something?
Yeah.
All right. Some new
Oh, yeah.
stuff that we got in our off season, which was, December. I don't know if you can see what we got. Airbags in the coils to help with the sagging issue. And then we also got power. So we're charging while we're driving. And that is amazing. It's riding so nice. I think it went down, a half an inch we measured?
Yeah, from what it normally sits
Yeah.
at.
Yeah, but it's so much better now. We got a little bit dilemma with this, that pretty much all campsites are on like the left-hand side.
Where the picnic table
Picnic
and all
table
of that.
and everything is.
But all of our gear, like our kitchen, our awning, all of that is on the driver's side. So we've got to flip it around.
So we're gonna unhook and then flip it either sideways or cockeyed. We'll see. I mean, that's what's awesome about this trailer. I mean, we can just move
do it by hand.
move it wherever we want. So I hate this. Stupid.
That pin is horrible, but it works.
Yeah, hobo. All right, we swung it around. I think it's gonna work for how we want it, and gonna look weird, but trust us, it's gonna look good. All right, let's get the jacks down.
Oh yeah, that's another new thing that we got.
ARB cargo gear. We picked this up at Mule Outfitters at their Christmas toy drive.
Yep.
Yeah. And fits all 6 packs of cola and hammers and this thing.
All the fun stuff.
See when my drill can't do it. I got this thing.
Ooh, lift that puppy up.
He's still a little high in the front. That's okay since our heads always go that high. Straps.
So, super important to anchor this down. And so we have got it strapped to the roof rack, which is not going anywhere on the tent.
Earthquake test. He's a big dumb idiot, ain't he, folks?
And then you're going to tighten that as tight as possible.
What are we doing? Hundo.
Hundo, baby.
Yep.
Ta-da!
It'll work. All right, got bed set up. Got the usual cloud chopper, and then we added our
Heated mattress pad.
there you go.
We used it when we did car camping last year.
Yeah, we're good. So
Yeah, trying it out this go round. All right.
everything's set up, and now we're gonna go walk to the ocean.
Yeah.
It's a little windy out there.
Just a little windy.
Holy moly, storm's coming in, Annie.
Yeah.
Ah! I love you. Goodbye. Storm has arrived. It's moving quick. That drone almost didn't come back. It almost kept on going.
It couldn't even land.
But it's gray, windy, so we're gonna head back to camp, get underneath our shelter, and get some dinner going.
All right, let's go. Look at right above your head.
Oh, I'm not doing it. My chair's right there.
All right, we got a new sticker when we were at Saguaro National Park, so we're gonna put that on. I think right there looks good. It's a little crooked, but oh well. Quano happens.
Sticker alert. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, for dinner tonight, we are going to keep it pretty simple and do our one pot meal that we did back on, the Bonneville salt flats. So I am doing diced potatoes with some seasoning, and then I'm going to cut up some sweet peppers, onion, and cook that all up. And then when that's cooked, add our garlic sausage to it. And then I have got some sourdough here, along with some homemade garlic Italian herb butter that I made for my coworkers for Christmas. So I had some extra left over, so we're gonna fix that all up. So yeah. So I wanted to do a little health update. So a while back ago, I had gotten some tests done because I was having some pretty horrible issues, and I tested positive for celiac. I started seeing a naturopath about 40 minutes away from where I live, and she specializes in an allergy treatment called NAET. I have no idea how to pronounce the N, so we'll put it, here on the screen. But anyway, so I have been tested for a ton of different things, and I am intolerant or allergic to a lot of things. And so we've been doing allergy tests, and the biggest one, surprise, surprise, was wheat, gluten. So I got my allergy treatment done about 3 weeks ago for the wheat, and I have been able to incorporate gluten back into my diet. So that's why I'm eating sourdough bread. But I do keep it in very low amounts. I just eat a little bit per day to kind of keep it in my system, but I haven't had the major issues that I had when gluten was really bothering me. So I'm super excited that those treatments have been working, and I'm going to continue working through all the other things that I found out that I was intolerant to and kind of see how that goes. So I'm excited about the progress. So I did cook up a new pan to try out. I love cooking on my cast iron, but sometimes it is really a pain to clean. So I got this non-stick pan just at my local Marshall's. It was like $24 or something, and it's been pretty good so far on the propane stove, so that's cool.
All right, there we go. Girl, you outdid yourself. Dinner was
amazing.
very, 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 very good.
It's gonna be in cookbook number 2.
Oh, coming soon to an Amazon near you.
2025. Second edition.
Cool.
With some new recipes.
But we lit the fire, and it feels freaking awesome.
Oh, it's so nice and warm and toasty.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's warm. It's toasty.
Yep.
And dessert, peanut butter, M&M's. Update.
It is downpouring right now. We got breaches coming in.
Hello. Oh, come on, Bush Company, awning, don't fail us now. Oh, jeez. Let's go camping in January, they said. It was going to be awesome, they said.
It's going to be fun, they said.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so it is time to go watch a movie or watch something on our tablet.
Yep.
and relax and go to sleep, and hopefully it doesn't rain that hard.
It'll be nice in the
tonight.
morning. We'll get some breakfast and coffee and stuff, and
Yeah.
let's go to bed.
Let's go to bed. Good morning.
Morning.
We survived the night. It rained all night.
All night.
All night.
Yeah, it's still raining, guys. Update.
Still raining.
Yeah, we didn't sleep that well, but kept nice and dry and warm.
Yeah, our heated mattress pad did really good in there. It kept it so warm and toasty, which was good. It wasn't too cold last night anyways, but man, it was so nice.
That was good. But now we got coffee going and some brekkie going, some breakfast hash. It's gonna be yummy. And then we're gonna slowly pack up, I'm afraid. Another storm coming in. These are fireworks.
Oh, I'm so full.
We're gonna get packed up, cleaned up, and soaked.
Soaked in the process.
Yeah.
Good thing we got our rain gear on.
Alright, that's it.
All right, well, we got all packed up. We got soaked in the process.
We lost about 2,000 calories.
We ate 2,000 calories, then we lost it. But yeah, it was a fun, wet camping adventure out here on
Nice
Beverly Beach.
and quiet. Nice campground, even if there's people here.
Yeah, it's super quiet. Most people
Really
are
wooded
in
and marshy.
RVs, so they're not outside, and yeah, it was super cool. Definitely probably don't come here in the summertime, because I could imagine it is packed here. So off season camping is probably the
Probably have
best.
to make a reservation early in the season.
Probably.
Because it's probably awesome.
Yeah, but we'll put the link to the reservation site in the description below. But yeah, thank you for joining on this very wet January edition of our PNW Adventures. And we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.